Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the May color kits from Shimmerz Paints. Now don't forget, when you place an order on the Shimmerz Paints website, add my name, Melissa Minor, to your order and you will receive a free paint. And you can add my name to every order you place, and each time you'll receive another free paint. All right, here is a quick look at everything that's included in the May color kit. So we've got all of these paints, which I'll swatch those in just a moment. So I'm going to set those off to the side. We have a full kit of ephemera. We've got some enamel dots. We have a painting sheet, a stencil, and then lots of pattern papers. So I'm going to start with the pattern papers. We've got this pretty blue and white polka dot, and on the back we've got some green leafy bits here with a green stripe across the center. We've got like this orangey plaid, and then we've got spring, spring, spring all the way across. Here is some florals that you could color in, paint in with your paints, and some squiggly lines. We've got a strawberry paper, a green polka dot. Oh, the last few kits have had a paper like this, like it almost looks like notebook paper, or we've got some pretty stripes with some polka dots on the back. We've got little 2x2 cut-aparts on here, or you could just use this beautiful quilt design. We've got like an orangey, peachy color with florals. We've got a purple flowers. Ooh, here's one that's already in a wreath style here on the blue background. Ooh, this might be my favorite. A blue with clouds on the back. That's going to be fun to use. And then we've got this one that's got all kinds of like little gardening mentions. We've got a floral here and then a grid design on the back. So gorgeous papers included in this month's kit. I'm super excited. It looks like everything's spring to me. And then here's the 3 dots that we get. The center one says best spring ever. We've got a ladybug and then a little flower pot. And then here's the coloring sheet. So you can see here we've got a beehive. We've got all kinds of really cute spring designs here. And then what you can do is you can paint these up with your paints, and then you can fussy cut them with your scissors and add them to your layouts. And then we also received this month a stencil here from Simple Stories, and that's going to work perfectly with this collection. I am going to unbox now all the ephemera that's included in the kit, so I'm just going to quickly flip through here. I'm kind of separating out. We've got some fruit. Got a cute little bird. We've got florals and leaves. So I'm going to kind of put all the florals in a stack here. Got the word May, a butterfly or firefly, some boots, just some cute little wordy bits, more florals. So super cute. You get all of this ephemera. Now, if you're not familiar with the Shimmerz Paints color kits, you can get just the paint collection. You can get the color kits paper collection, or you can get the complete collection, which I'm kind of showing here today. And then with any of these, you can add on the bonus bundle. So you can get the paint collection with the bonus bundle, the paper collection with the bonus bundle, or the complete collection with the bundle. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch the paint colors. So we get lots of paints included. Let's see here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paints are included, plus you have one that is included in the bonus bundle. So I'm going to show you that in just a second. So what I like to do is take these 2x2, these are mixed media cardstock, and I cut them down to 2x2, hole punch them, and write the names on the paints, and then I like to swatch them. Now here's the bonus bundle. So it includes all these really pretty sequins. Oh, they are so pretty. Cute little stars here. And then we also have this later Gator Inklingz. Now, if you're not familiar with what an Inklingz is, it is a solid watercolor pan that you activate with water. They're really creamy and they have a lot of shimmer and pigment to them. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch each of these. So this first one that I have here is called Petal Pusher. And it is a Coloringz, and this is gorgeous purple. Now, a Coloringz is, it's bold. It's a flat color, and they dry matte, so they're perfect if you want strong color without shimmer or to layer shimmer on top. This next one I have here is a Spritz, and this is called Powder Puff. Now, this is one of my favorites. I already own this one, and I use it on lots of my winter layouts. Now, with a Spritz, they're super versatile. You can spray them, brush them on like watercolor, or even use them with embossing powder. There's so much you can do with them. Now, this next one here, this is a Shimmerz, and so this already has the pigment in it. So Shimmerz, they're pre-mixed with a pretty iridescent finish. They dry quick and stick to almost anything. So that one that I swatched there was the Going Peach Side. I love the names. And then this one is called Rita on the Rocks, and it's also a shimmer. It's also a shimmer. So this one already comes mixed up in these little pots. So let me show you this one. And doesn't this look just like a margarita? It's so crazy. Like, no wonder they come up with these names. It's perfect. And then the next one I have here, now this one is an Inklingz, and this one's called Bahama Mama, and I know I already have this one too. I love this color. So again, the Inklingz, those are those solid watercolor pans that you just activate with water. So you put a few spritz in there. I like to put 3 or 4 spritz of water, and then you let them sit for just a couple minutes, and then they're ready to go. And these are really creamy and have lots of shimmer and pigment to them. And then this last one here, this is the later Gator Inklingz that's available in the bonus bundle. Now, I do want to show you the sequins, so I'm going to pour some of these out here, though this is the bonus bundle. So if you were to purchase the bonus bundle, you get all of these sequins, plus you get that later Gator Inklingz paint. So it's a great way to just, if you've never tried Shimmerz, just to try it out. Now, here is how I store my paint pans. So I just kind of wanted to show you this. And I purchased these paint pans like this, the storage pan, on Amazon. So I'll leave that link down below in the description box in case you're interested in storing your paints in this way too. It's super easy. I just love this. So it has a magnet, and I go ahead and put the magnet on it, and I use a Sharpie to write it on the side. Now, here's where I'm like, oh, I already have Bahama Mama in this one. So I'm going to set that one aside and go ahead and put my later Gator Inklingz in here instead. And I was just checking that one. I'm like, oh, that's kind of similar, but that's not the same color. So I'm going to dry this off. It was a little bit wet, and I'll write the name on here. So that is a look at everything included in the May color kits for Shimmerz paints. If you have any questions, drop them below and I'd be happy to answer them. These are available individual, or you can sign up for the subscription, and hurry because they do sell out fast. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. And if you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!